Unfortunately, no one can be told which MMI is better. You'll just have to see it for yourself. This is your last chance. After this, you can always turn back because our products are 100% reversible. You take the blue unit, you will unlock all the love features of the MMI Prime. You take the black unit, and I will show you how deep the MMI Pro goes. Remember, all I'm offering is the best upgrade for your BMW, nothing more.
Welcome back, I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. By now, you know our MMI Prime. You know it, you love it, and if you don't have it, we know you want it. But now, there's a new kid on the block, the MMI Pro. Not sure which one you should get? Well, let's take a look at what's different. First, let's cover what they could both do. First off, they're both 100% plug and play and reversible, installing seamlessly into your BMW, Mini, or Supra's factory iDrive system. Now, of course, the key feature for both is unlocking wireless or wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right on your factory iDrive screen. It's also the best way to integrate front, rear, and surround cameras, experience screen mirroring, watch videos, and so much more. To learn more about each of these features, well, click the link in the description of this video to head on over to our website. So that's what they could both do. But the Pro can do a bit more. Let's find out what. This is the MMI Pro. In addition to all the great features of the MMI Prime, this one features an interface that was faster than the last one, which is already fast to begin with. One of the best features would have to be the HDMI port, which, with an HDMI cable from us or one you supply on your own, you could plug into the MMI Pro, unlocking almost limitless display options. Gaming, movies, TVs, and so much more. If your device has an HDMI output, you can display it on your iDrive screen with BimmerTech's MMI Pro. This means Chromecast, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, Nintendo Switch, laptops. If you can plug it in, you can display it, and this unlocks so many more streaming options for movies and TV shows that you can't get through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This means if you're waiting for somebody in the parking lot or if you have a long road trip, for you passengers only, you can never be bored again. So there you have it. These are both fantastic products that will make your aging BMW perform even better in the entertainment department compared to newer BMWs. Which you choose depends on your needs. Always find yourself watching videos? Well, the Pro could be for you. Simply just using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? Well, the Prime could be the way to go. Regardless of which you choose, you will be happy. To learn more about each of these products, head on over to our website, link in the description. The installation is super straightforward and you can do this yourself, or you can find one of our certified installers near you. We have them in about 30 countries around the world. And hey, if you're in the Orlando, Florida area, well then stop on by and we could do it for you. For more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.